Opening a joint account at the Bank of Baroda can be a convenient way to manage finances with a partner, family member, or business associate. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of a joint account. A joint account is a type of bank account that is owned by two or more individuals, allowing all account holders to deposit, withdraw, and manage funds. The first step in opening a joint account at the Bank of Baroda is to gather the required documents. These typically include proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of income for all account holders. Acceptable documents for proof of identity include a passport, voter ID card, or driving license, while proof of address can be established with a utility bill, rent agreement, or passport. Next, account holders should visit their nearest Bank of Baroda branch and collect the account opening form. This form will require basic personal and financial information, including name, date of birth, address, and occupation. It is crucial to fill out the form accurately and completely to avoid any delays in the account opening process. After completing the form, account holders should submit it to the bank along with the required documents. Bank officials will then verify the documents and process the account opening request. This may take a few days, and account holders will be notified once the account is active. There are different types of joint accounts available at the Bank of Baroda, including either or survivor, joint, and anyone or survivor. The either or survivor account allows either account holder to operate the account independently, while the joint account requires all account holders to sign for transactions. The anyone or survivor account is similar to the either or survivor account but can have more than two account holders. It is essential to discuss and agree on the type of joint account and the account operating instructions with all account holders before opening the account. This will help avoid any confusion or disputes in the future. Additionally, account holders should be aware of the bank's rules and regulations regarding joint accounts, including the minimum balance requirement, transaction limits, and account closure procedures. In conclusion, opening a joint account at the Bank of Baroda can be a straightforward process if account holders are aware of the requirements and follow the steps outlined above. By understanding the different types of joint accounts, gathering the necessary documents, and completing the account opening form accurately, account holders can enjoy the benefits of a joint account, including convenient financial management and increased financial security.